Yes, sir.
Let's do the question,
Yes,
children.
sir.
In a circle, the major arc is 3 times the minor arc. Children, this is a circle. Here they are saying major arc is 3 times the minor arc. Major arc. Okay, imagine this is major arc. Major arc is 3 times the minor arc. They are giving the question. 3 times the minor arc. Okay. The corresponding central angles and the degree measures of the two arcs are central angle and degree measure. Okay, children. Central angle and degree measure. Okay. First, let us do like this, children. This is the central angle. They are asking how much is the central angle and what is the degree measure. And if you get that, you will also even get in the minor arc and its degree measure. You will get children like this. Major arc is 3 times the minor arc, children. So not only how we will do when children in higher classes you will study, children. So length of the arc is given by the formula theta by 360 into 2 pi r, children. Theta by 360 into 2 pi r. So theta by 360 into 2 pi r, okay, is equal to 3 into minor arc also, children. Theta by 360 into 2 pi r. They will give in the higher classes 2 pi r, 2 pi r, it is gone, children, because both of them are same. And 360 has gone, children. Here only we are worried about the angles, children. So big angle is 3 times the small angle. Okay, children. Children, this is the big angle. Try to understand. This is theta 1. Try to understand, children. Theta 1. And children, this is theta 2. Try to understand, children. Children, try to understand. This is theta 1. This is theta 2. Theta 1 plus theta 2, anyone? Theta 1 plus theta 2, anyone? 360 degrees complete angle, children. 360 degrees complete angle. Theta 1 is 3 theta 2 plus theta 2 is equal to 360. 4 theta 2 is equal to 360. Theta 2 is equal to 90. Children, this is 90. If this is 90, this will be how much, children? 270. Can anyone tell what will be x and what will be y, children? X is how much? Anyone? X will be, yes. Are you able to hear me? Degree measure theorem. Children, are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Then no one is opening your mouth. Are you gone mad or what, children? Actually say yes. Don't say the answers. I didn't ask you answers. I don't expect also answers from you. Actually say yes sir or no. So children, this is 270. This is 54. I know you people didn't understand this. I will help you again. Don't worry about that. And this is children 90. If this is 90, this will be how much, children?
126.
Yeah. Sorry, we got this 54. No, children, this we got
Yes.
54. No? This 54 means this will be how much, children?
126.
126. Like this we have to do, children. That's it. Like this we have to do, children. So your main question comes here. Major arc is 3 times the minor arc. Children, formula is theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Means theta by 360 into 2 pi r. In 2 pi r, 2 pi r is full angle, children. Full angle is 2 pi r. See, full circle is 2 pi r. 2 pi r is 360 degrees. 2 pi r is 360 degrees. Okay, and in the center one arc will be there. Now that arc is subtending how much angle? This 2 pi r is full circle. Full circle is subtending 360. Small arc will subtend how much? So x into 360 is equal to theta into 2 pi r. So 360 here, x is equal to theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Like this, children. You should analyze that. Children, try to understand. Full circle is 360 degrees. A length of the arc is how much angle? So theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Like this we have to do, children. Next question. I hope you all understood. If you didn't understand, please practice that question, children, after the class. A and B are the 2 points on circle such that, children, see they are the 2 points. A and B are the 2 points on circle such that arc AB, children, arc AB is substituting an angle of 260 degrees. 260 means it will be more, no, children? More 260 because this is 180, this is 180, means okay. Like this. Okay. and B substituting an angle of 260 degrees. A possible value of angle subtended by our BA at the point on the circle is how much? So children, BA on the circle, children, BA on the circle, how much will be this angle they are asking, children? Anyone?
Can I say?
Yeah, tell them.
Yes, sir. The 260. Yes, sir. The angle, the x, sir. X plus 260 is equal to 360, sir. Complete angle. X is equal to 100 degrees, sir. The y is equal to 50 degrees, sir. Degree measure theorem.
That's all, children. That's all. That's all. Understood, children? Like this degree measure theorem. Okay. One more question, children. And equilateral triangle ABC is inscribed in a circle. Children, see there is a circle. An equilateral triangle ABC is inscribed in a circle. Please see here. An equilateral triangle will have all angles how much? 60
degrees.
All angles will be 60 degrees. Equilateral triangle is inscribed in a circle. Okay, with center O. The measures of BOC is how much? Is asking what is this angle, children? What is this angle? Anyone?
120.
120. If this is 60, this will be 120. By degree measure theorem over. If this is 60, this will be 120. By degree measure theorem, children. By degree measure theorem over. That's it. 13th question. Okay, children. The two diameters of circle intersect each other at right angles. Children, there are two diameters. They are intersecting at right angles, children. Right angles means all are 90 degrees. They are intersecting at right angles to each other. Then quadrilateral formed by joining their end products is A. Then if you join them and make a quadrilateral, what is this? Anyone? Cyclic?
Cyclic quadrilateral.
Cyclic quadrant.
No. Cyclic what quadrilateral? Cyclic what quadrilateral? Is it cyclic parallelogram or cyclic rhombus or cyclic square or cyclic rectangle?
Rhombus.
Yes.
Square, sir.
No. Square is not possible because they are not 90 degrees.
Okay.
Okay. They are 90 degrees only. Because angle in semicircle is 90. 90. So it is a cyclic
Square quadrilateral.
square. Cyclic square, children. Okay, cyclic square. Next question, children. Cyclic square. Cyclic quadrilateral is cyclic square. Okay, children. Next question. ABC is an arc of circle of 135 degrees. Children, see here. ABC is an arc of circle of 135 degrees, children. Then the ratio of arc ABC to circumference. Ratio of arc ABC to circumference. Ratio of arc ABC to circumference. Okay, children. Just now whatever I told you have to use. See, children, is asking length, perimeter of full circle by length of the arc ratio is how much? Perimeter of full circle by length of the arc is how much is asking. So theta by 360 into 2 pi r is the formula of I told just now. Here also theta by 360 into 2 pi r. 2 pi r gets cancelled. 360 cancel. Okay. So for full circle, what will be the angle, children? Anyone? Full circle, what will be the angle?
360.
360 degrees.
And how much theta they give, children?
135.
135. Can you tell me simplification? 5 sevens are 5 twos are 5 twos are 5 sevens are. 236. 3. How much? 3 twos are 3 fours are 3 nines are 3 eights are 3 threes are. So 8 by 3 means 8 is to 3 is the ratio of
8 to
their
3,
arcs.
sir.
Ratio of their arcs, children. Okay, ratio. This many exams will not get in textbook, children. See what I'm showing there. You have to practice. If you practice only, you will understand. I hope everyone copied. Shall I erase it?
Yes, sir.
Shall I erase it, children? Next question, children. Okay, so 15th question. The chord of a circle is equal to its radius, children. Chord of a circle is equal to its radius. Means what is it?
Equilateral.
Equilateral triangle. Then what is the question? Means the angle subtended by this chord at the minor arc of the circle is how much? The angle subtended by this chord at the minor arc is how much? What is this angle? What is this angle? Actual question is why they are asking. Anyone?
Sir, can I say?
154.
Sir, x is 150.
X is
X is 150
It's
degrees.
1.
See, x is
No, sir, X
120.
Sir, X is 30 degrees, sir.
120.
120 degrees.
X is
Sir, not
120.
30 degrees, sir. X is
Sorry,
X
sorry,
is
30.
30, sir. Y is
30
150.
degrees.
Y
Y
is
is 150
150.
Y is
degree. 150 degrees.
150.
150 degrees. Very good, very good, very good. 16th question. 16th question, children. Okay, we'll do up to 20 and we'll stop, children. Okay, we'll do up to 20. 16th question. PQRS is a cyclic quadrilateral, children. What is a cyclic quadrilateral? Which runs on the circle PQRS is a cyclic quadrilateral such that PR is the diameter. PR is the diameter, children. PR is the diameter. If QPR is 67, QPR, children, this is 67 degrees. SPR is 72. SPR, children, this is 72. Question is find QRS. QRS. This full angle they are asking, children.
Yes, sir.
I will ask. I will ask whomever I ask. They should say. Who will tell means. Srihita is there. Srihita. Okay, today no one is there. Saisha, can you tell this how to find out R?
Yes, sir.
Tell. In
Opposite
cyclic
angles are supplementary.
so this is how much?
7 as
139
9,
plus R is equal to
180 degrees.
why? Because in cyclic quadrilateral,
Opposite angles are supplementary.
so R is equal to
180 minus 139.
R is equal to
41.
41. Yeah, I'm sorry, 41 degrees. 41 degrees. Okay. Next question. 17th question. Children, ABC are 3 points on a circle with center O. Children, A, B, C are 3 points on a circle with center O, like this, children. Center O. Such that AOB is 90 degrees. AOB is 90 degrees. Children, this is 90 degrees, it seems. And BOC is 120 degrees. BOC is 120 degrees. Question is, ABC is how much? Who will tell? Tanmay,
Sir, can I say?
Yes, sir.
Tanmay, can you help me how to do this angle B?
Yes, sir.
Find X first. How much? This total is 210, Nana. 210. Half of 210 is how much?
150.
105. And 105 and B is? 105 plus B is? 180. In cyclic quadrilateral, opposite angles are supplementary. So B is 75. Nana, you're not
Supplementary.
telling. You're not telling. Very easy sum. Very easy sum.
Sir. Break.
Children, next question, last question. Oh, sorry, 18th only, no? Children, this is the question. See here. Oh, sorry. Children, are you able to hear my voice?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay, please see here. This is A, this is D, this is B, this is C, and they have said this is 90 degrees, and this is saying X, and this is saying Y. What is X plus Y? This is the question. This is the question, children. What is X plus Y? Children, if I put like this, if this is Y, this is also
Why, sir? Angles in same segment are equal.
exterior angle is equal to,
Sum of interior angles.
angle.
so X plus Y is how much?
90 degrees.
90.
That's it. That's it, children. Over. 19th question. Children, this is A, this is O, this is C, this is B, this is A. Okay. Children, this is 45 degrees. Children, this is 45 degrees. Lahari, can you help me on AOC? I want, Amma. Lahari, AOC.
Sir,
By degree measure theorem, if this is 45, this will be Children, if this is 45, this will be
45.
90 degree measure theorem. Nana, suppose if it is like this, 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 anyway it is degree measure theorem only. Because both are meeting at same point, no? So if this is 45, this is 90. Try to understand, Nana. Degree measure theorem. First thing is that is. Last question for the day, children. Okay, so children, this is ABCD. A, B, C, D. This is point P. This is given 90 degrees, children. This is given 35 degrees, children. Question is, children, see here. In this question, we have to find out angle ADC. I want this angle. Who will tell this?
Sir, can I say?
Yeah, Vivek.
Sir, angle C is 35 degrees, sir.
Okay, if this is 35, this is also 35.
Yes, sir. Sir, and exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles, sir. So 35 plus x is equal to 90 degrees.
90 is equal to 35.
35 plus x, sir. X is equal to 55 degrees.
55 degrees. That's it, children. Very, very easy. If this is 35, this is 35. Why, Nana? Angles in the same segment are
Same segment are equal.
And exterior angle is called sum of interior opposite. You have to mention the reasons, children. Everywhere you have to mention the reasons. Without mentioning the reasons, you should not write the answer. Okay, children, please give your answer, your roll call, and then you go, children. 1 second, all of you wait.